And what's up, guys? So today it's gonna be a new video. So you know how I said Ada and Friends 0456? I did Ada and Friends because I'm having friends. This video I'm gonna have some friends. Really only one, but Rayshawn from Rayshawn's Gaming Squad. What's up, everyone? Look how slow I am. No. I don't know what I want. What level are you on? 11. How much is darn lightning? Okay, so I have my one silver dog and then my red kitty. I have a silver dog and a purple pedagist. Pedagist? Oh. It's like a type dragon. Are you joining the race? Are you gonna ask? I can play the. Do you see it? That is so fast. Yeah, I'm not in the same one as you. That type legend of speed. I just fell in lava. Supposed to be fast. I got the rebirth. Yeah, you're in this one. I'm a racer. What? Yep. That rebirth also. Wait, a racer? Why are you a racer? I'm faster than you and higher than you. No. It's 20. Mine says 56. I could only get 50. Dang, that's the bad guy's going! Look. It showed no way home. I love it up. I see a 60. But if you're a racer, then... Wait, look, if you're a racer, you're behind Hot Rod. Oh, where is that? Look, Ray, look. I'm Lightning and you're a racer. Where'd you find it? It's insane. I know. Well, I'm not really a racer. Yeah. There you go. What's up, Ada? What's up? Did you forget? I don't see you. Yeah, look. Right here. Oh, I see you now. Behind you? Behind everyone, Doofus. I jumped over it. Look, I used to be this, you know. I used to be this. Pro circuit? Yeah. How? Did you used to be a pro circuit, but now you're a racer? Because I reversed. But I'm still Lightning, and I've been Lightning. Wait, what just... Okay, I'm level 8. Wait, I mean level I'm on level 7. No, I can't get up there to get the chest.
I used to be able to get every chest.
I know. I used to be the. You used to be a Blaze Runner too. Then you got a rebirth.
I'm on top of the building right now.
Wait, you're behind me, Ray. On the scoreboard. Look.
You're behind me. Well, I'm joining. Do you see me now? Yeah, don't move. Okay.
I see you now.
I don't know. Yes, I leveled up. My speed is 68. I used to be everyone in races too.
Did you used to get in first place?
Yeah.
I used to get in second. I believe I only got in 5 or 6 places.
Schwaz.
Someone's an idiot. Someone's a doofus. They literally just went off of the cliff on purpose. Yeah.
I don't want to say that.
Okay, I am sorry. You are not. Just why would you fall off the cliff if you're watching this? So level 7.
I don't like Reapers.
Hey, that isn't. Oh, I can't reach this.
Which one?
Ah, come on, Green. You gotta accept me. You got to accept me. We're both green. Oh, it doesn't want to.
Hey, what's up?
What's up?
I'm going to the frost.
I just passed you. See,
hey, go to the frost course.
Nah, I'm not going to the frost course right now. Wait, what's this? Oh, Magmum.
Look at her.
There are 2 lightnings I see.
Oh, racing.
No, I see you in front of me. That isn't fair. Rebirths are stupid, lame.
Yes, I leveled up. My speed is 17.
I'm only on. My speed is. Wait, yeah, 40. Sup? I'm on some level 9. I'm a darn lightning. It's on level 9. It was very poor at the game. Wait, no, I need that 4 XP.
Yeah, that's what I saw, the green. Where are we going to play after this? What's up, Ada? Yes! I need it.
Wait, and what?
The hoop.
The blue darn hoop?
Yeah.
Desert. Oh, the desert's so easy.
I just leveled up. My speed is 76. Look at her.
Wait, do you have beams on your head?
Got it up. My speed is 80. No.
It's in here. Wait, we're making a video, Alex. I paused the video. Okay, you're back.
Hey, now look, you want to see me just jump houses? Look. Look. I can just jump houses.
Yes, he downloads the back. Here, let me see the phone. Here, now go into every room.
I could just jump into these hoops. Hoops.
No, I said
Like the green one. I could just jump. My speed is 84.
I see some 48.
Look. Look, I could just jump this hoop.
Nope.
I want to jump hoop.
No, I couldn't.
I can jump. Yes. That means I can jump. Spider-Man No Way Home. Look.
I know it's showing Spider-Man No Way Home stuff and bad guys. Yeah, I'm total trash. I'm cap.
Nope.
I know I'm not cap.
No, I said no cap. That means not lying. That means lying. I could just jump. Yes, I leveled up.
My guy's invisible. My guy was just invisible. I just leveled up.
I could jump into hoops, Ada.
Nope, I can't do that yet.
Look.
But I am still lightning. I am higher than you.
Yes. My speed is 92.
How the heck are you do that?
Because I'm jumping into hoops. Look way down.
Dang.
Yes.
What?
I just leveled up. Leveled up again.
That isn't fair. How does he keep leveling up, but I can't?
I'm just jumping into hoops this time. I'm gonna level up probably. I'm just running around.
Yeah, I have the green golem.
Yes, I'm joining. Let's level it up. Bad guys. I wanna watch the bad guys movie. This is a cool video. Mom said, hey, guys.
I know.
I could jump into the finish line.
I'll get her in the truth.
I'm trying to find a green pig. I know I can jump.
Do you have the green golem? It's a pet.
I can jump into the 800 hoop. Now I got green lightning. I just leveled up. Our speed is 104.
Yeah, I gotta go. It was a bus. Wait. I forgot. I just paused the video, so it changed.
That's great.
And guys, there you have it. Remember, I could only do 15-minute video, so I hope you liked that video. I'll see you soon. See you later. Remember, please tell your friends this channel is 8amfriend00456. My third video. Wait.